Hi guys, design adapt for a mobile house often an excellent opportunity to explore living space, enhance aesthetic appeal, and create a functionally outdoor area for relax or entertain. Mobile house which have limited square foot again can growing benefit for adapt that explore usable space, allow for outdoor gathering or even for place place one neither canvas. We explored depth is trellis to mobile house touch on design consider material, budget and functionally this comprehensive gas well inspire you to create a stream depth that seamless with your mobile house. Consider for mobile house tab design. Before divide into siphoning depth design it's to take a few functional into account. Plan for your depth well explored that it's much your need look great to compete with block build code, space and size. Consider the amount of space available around your mobile house. Well, some mobile house have limited yard space. Other mid surrounding allow for a long multifunctional depth. Depth size is allow influencer by its entire visual. Do you want a space safe for morning coffee or a long deck for family bring. Location. The location for the deck is another. It should be easy available for your mobile house man interest. Consider your deck will face us. This will determine how much sunlight gets throughout the day. If you love some both a summer pot to its idea, alternate the shade area can often choose plant for sunny, relax, elevate and funded. Mobile houses are often set on a rustic funding, which means your debt mean or a racing. This debt should be security alert to the mobile house furniture or supported individual budget. Set a rate budget for your debt project. Cost will vary depend on material, size for the design plan can help. Simple platform deck. A platform deck is one of the simplest and most budget friendly other for a mobile house. It's a less depth that side close to the group create a seamless traditional benefit indoor and outdoor space. Those are idea for smart yard or if you look for a quick and affordable way to enhance your home. Benefit platform depth are relevant, easy to consider and request minimize support, then are perfect and create a smart, cozy set area. Design type. Consider add built-in plants or a few pots plant area. The edge to natural into your depth design. Simple stand light or solar power lights can elevate the embrace even higher. Multi-level depth. A multi-level depth can add visual